Everyone, hope everything is going well. All right, I wanted to do this video on my finance channel since it's more a finance related topic, and usually people get not uneasy. People are like, why are you talking about this on sports card channel? I'm like, okay, fine. Let me talk about this on my finance channel. I get less views, but I think it's still a topic I like talking about. Number one, the Federal Reserve announced today that Jerome Powell is basically going to pivot. No more rate hikes. It's official, or it's most likely official, but he pretty much hinted at that. And what did the markets do? They just shot up. You saw moves in the bond market. Bonds rallied. You saw, like I said, stocks rally. The dollar sold off. And if the dollar continues to sell off, what's that going to do to asset prices? It's going to make it go higher. And you're going to see interest rates go from positive to negative, which will help gold, silver, Bitcoin, and also sports cards. And I want to talk about sports cards. Sports cards have probably done just as bad as Bitcoin has over the past, year and a half, I would say. But Bitcoin bottomed out, what was it, like last year? So Bitcoin has been going up. But sports cards have been going way down because they had that super spike up during COVID. And before that, it was going slightly up from 2018 when interest rates were positive and then they went negative. And we're at that same inflection point. Now, I do think there will be a financial crisis later next year, so that's something to keep in mind. But in the interim, in my opinion, there will be green shoots and the high end will rise up. Jerome Powell, you could say that I'm going to do a video on my other channel, but the Federal Reserve is the biggest pumper and dumper. And now the dump has gone away, right? They were pumping it up in 2020, 2021. They were dumping over the year and a half. And now a lot of people are nervous. Jeff Wilson seemed a little uneasy. You're seeing a lot of, I wouldn't say negativity, but the sentiment isn't as the same. And this is the time where collectors should be jumping up and down. Prices are a great price. And if anyone wants to speculate in the high end and they have the money to do so, and they're doing a quick flip, I think there will be opportunities. Now, once again, don't be over leveraging yourself. Don't make dumb mistakes, because there will be, in my opinion, a financial crisis later next year. And it's going to get wild, in my opinion, with commercial real estate. That's the bubble that will pop. So anyways, this is the time for collectors to start accumulating. And, if you don't worry about prices going up and down, well, you got a huge discount. This is Black Friday, and there's so many deals if you're collecting. If you're speculating, I do think there are deals too. Specifically, the higher end cards, high in demand cards, should go higher, but not like 2021 levels. But anyways, I want to touch base on this. Anyways, last thing is the Federal Reserve is most likely going to start cutting interest rates in June and July of next year, according to the markets. Now that could change. Some analysts are saying, hey, look, it could be in Q1 of next year, but the market as of right now says no cuts until summertime. We shall see if that's the case. But anyways, the pause is bullish, bullish, bullish for risk assets, in my opinion. Once again, don't do what I'm saying. These are just my own thoughts, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.